Caden, look at mommy, honey. Caden. Caden, look at mommy, smile. Show those little girls how cute you are. Smile for mommy. Caden. Show them your workout routine, buddy. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's not a happy camper right now. Mommy can't get him to smile today. It's those darn teeth. Caden. I love you, buddy. Was that I don't love you? Caden. Alright. He's not going to be happy today. And cut.